At ThinkUp Studios, one of our goals is to give you the tools to better visualize the direction for your instruction. Each unit in ThinkUp ELAR begins with a roadmap outlining the unit's overarching instructional focus. When you clarify a TEKS, you're extracting and analyzing the critical pieces of the expected learning outcome. You're looking behind you to see what skills have already been tackled that led students to this point in the journey. You're also looking forward to uncover the important role this concept plays in creating well-developed readers and thinkers. This section of ThinkUp ELAR offers a detailed explanation that defines exactly what mastery looks like, the essential vocabulary needed to leverage student mastery, and even includes suggested examples of instructional strategies that support the desired learning outcome. In this example, you'll notice the author suggests double entry journals to support students as they learn to make connections within and across texts. Mentoring Minds has identified 9 traits that cultivate high-quality thinkers. When students think deeply about what they're learning and the process behind it, they're remembering longer and mastering stronger. Each unit supports the development of 3 traits. It also supports mastery of the unit TEKS. The Teacher Edition provides engagement indicators to help recognize active critical thinking student behaviors and includes some strategies such as questioning prompts to facilitate their development. The Student Edition provides students with measurable, action-based behavior statements to help them recognize when they're thinking deeply and critically, and to connect their thinking behavior with the concept. You'll see these symbols throughout the units in both the Teacher Edition as well as the Student Edition when the trait is referenced. Notice in the Student Edition, the behavior for link is explicitly described. When you link, you read to locate key ideas and details to develop understandings about a text. Many campus and district leaders require teachers to post objectives or learning targets. The Learning Targets subsection states student outcomes for the unit. It helps simplify the task by doing the work for you with a student-centered I will statement. The Learning Target statement for this unit is I will make connections to personal experiences, ideas in other texts, and society. The 9 traits formative assessment in your Teacher's Edition serves as a critical thinking odometer to track students' awareness over time as it develops and helps you facilitate the development of the 9 critical thinking traits. The pre-assessment is a vital piece of the learning journey. It helps establish a baseline for learners and predicts what levels of support students will need to move forward toward mastery. Pre-assessments for each unit are available to download and print from the online interface. The answer grid codes each student response item, not only for the TEKS and ELPs, but also identifies depth of knowledge and revised Bloom's taxonomy levels. Each pre-assessment includes both selected response as well as constructed response items.